Hi, welcome back to another MLS moment. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to find all those open houses coming up next weekend. Super easy, even if you're just hanging around. Well, thanks for dropping in, everybody. So today we're going to show you how to look for those open houses on Flexmls. It's going to be really easy. Let's go. Okay, so here we are. We're logged into Flexmls, and we're going to just go to Quick Search. So I'm going to go to Menu, and then Quick Search, and then here we are. And then normally what you would do is put in all the criteria that your customer would want so that you're not finding open houses for properties that your customer would not be interested in. Once you get all of those criteria in, you're going to go all the way to the bottom here, below the green plus sign where you would add a field to search, and right underneath that you'll see open house date. You're going to click on open house date, and then it gives you just the opportunity to put in open houses in the next however many days. I'm just going to put in 5. Okay, and there we go. We have open houses in for the next 5 days. I can see my results there are 41. I am going to go to a list view. I'm not seeing the open house date, so I'm going to go to one of my custom views, and I'm going to click on view, right? And then I am going to go to open, and you'll see open houses there. I click on it. It shows up as one of the fields. I click save, and now I'm back, and I can see my open house dates, and I can sort them ascending or descending, whichever is best for you. Hopefully this helps you find those open houses that you're looking for. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you do not know how to do this custom view that I just did, we have a video, and at the end of this video there'll be a link that goes straight to it, so stay tuned for that. Additionally, if you didn't want to do the custom view, you could go to the details tab. Each one of the properties is going to show a button that says open house because it has an open house. If you click there, you will see the open house. You guys have a great day. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next Real MLS moment. Bye now.